Prime Minister Narendra Modi exuded confidence of the BJP coming to power in Odisha. Making a veiled attack on the BJD, PM Modi said that the people of Odisha will get their first BJP CM and the CM will be the son or daughter of the state and not any outsider. Asking people to remember the dates, PM Modi said that 4th June will be the expiry date of BJD government and a BJP CM will take oath in Bhubaneswar on 10th June. After Delhi, at least 16 schools in Ahmedabad received bomb threats via email on Monday. 10 such schools are polling centers for the fourth phase of Lok Sabha elections scheduled on Tuesday. District Education Officer said there is no need to panic, as the schools didn't have students due to Tuesday's polling activity. He said this could be an attempt to create an unsettling atmosphere during the Lok Sabha elections in the state. The Lebanese armed group Hezbollah said it launched Katyusha rockets on Israeli settlements and military sites on Monday in response to Israeli air strikes in southern Lebanon a day earlier. In response to the Israeli attacks on Sunday that killed 4 civilians and destroyed several civilian homes, the fighters of the Islamic resistance targeted through 6 operations. The confrontations between Hezbollah and Israel reportedly have since killed 449 people on the Lebanese side, including 283 Hezbollah members and 84 civilians. The Enforcement Directorate recovered Rs 25 crore in cash from the house of a man who works as a house help at the residence of Rural Development Minister Alamgir's personal assistant Sanjeev Kumar. Senior BJP leader Babulal Marandi said the loot model that the Prime Minister was talking about just 2 days ago regarding the JMM Congress has now been confirmed with this cash seizure. And IMD has predicted nor'wester rains in several parts of Odisha for the next 4 days. The extent of rain will increase from tomorrow, that is 7th May, and there will be heavy rainfall for 2 days on 7th May and 8th May, the Weather Office forecast. The Weather Department has issued yellow warning for heavy rainfall coupled with thunderstorm, lightning and heavy wind in at least 6 districts.